Artsy, and today I'm going to be doing an advanced tutorial on the trick called the Cherrypicker. And this is a really fun move if you already know tricks like the Zen rollover, index rollover, and behind the 8 ball. It's very similar to them. I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do with this trick is you're going to hold the knife by the bite handle. And this is kind of risky with the double rollout that's going to come next, but just know that you got to be extra careful. So, you're going to flip the knife out, and then you're going to flip it again. That's a double rollout. And make sure the blade doesn't hit your knuckles. So when you do the double rollout, make sure to have your middle finger above the knife. So I would practice going like that and having it's ready to go above, do you see? And so, because the next step is going to be a middle finger, like half a rollover with your middle finger. So you're going to do a double rollout, land like this, and then go around like this. And you're going to do half a middle finger rollover. That's going to look like this. So you're going to go around halfway, and the knife's going to drop. And then once you're here, you're going to be, see how your hand's pointed down? You're going to be going up. So your hand's going to be pointed up in the next step, so that's why the knife's going to go from down to up. And so you're going to, see how this middle finger is curled right here? It's really close to the blade and everything, and this is hanging down. That's because these are going to switch positions, and you're going to do an index rollover right here. So I would suggest learning that first, and that's in the link above and in the description, along with the Zen rollover and index rollover. Those are important. So you're going to go out, out, and then you're going to do the roll around here. You're going to land here, and then you're going to go around your index finger right here. Do you see? And then you're going to land like this. Do you see my thumb? How it comes around? You want your thumb to come around like this, and you're going to land like this in this position, because this will lead you to do a Zen rollover at the end, and it makes a smooth transition. You're going to do a double rollout, and then you're going to get your middle finger out, of course, and then do a half roll right here and land like this. Then you're going to transition your middle finger to your index finger, and you're going to go around like this. Okay, once you're here, I want you to twist the knife like this. Do you see what I'm doing? Twisting the knife. So your thumb will be in the right position to do a Zen rollover, because we all know how to do a Zen rollover, I'm assuming. So if this is too hard for you, I mean, the last step in the move is to do a Zen rollover and end up like that. But if this is too hard for you, you could always do a behind the 8 ball like that. So once you're in this position, you can always just do a behind the 8 ball, which is going here, or you can twist the knife like this. See this movement I'm doing? Twisting the knife, and it'll land in this position, which is the right way to do this trick, and do a Zen rollover. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.